Hey Techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So Techies, in the last tutorial we discussed about the break statement, how we can use break statement, and today we are going to discuss about the continue statement. In break statement we can terminate our loop, but in continue statement we can continue with the existing pointers. Okay, so first let's come on the definition. The continue statement is used inside the continue statement is used inside the looping structure for while, do while, to skip that remaining code in current iteration and proceed directly to the next iteration of the loop. Okay, so see here example. Here you have counting from 1 to 10. Okay, and if you check in the output, this one is the input. Okay, let me type here input, and this one is your output, and this one is your output. Okay, so if you check in the output, so here 3 is missing. Okay, so the in the current iteration you have skipped one number. So how you can do this one? Using the continue statement. In the continue statement we can skip specific condition. Okay, the key pointer for the continue statement is continue does not terminate the loop, it just skip the current iteration and move to the next one. Okay, this one means this one just skip 3 but move to the next other one. Okay, and meanwhile another output, if we want to output 1 2 4 5 6 8 10. Okay, we want output in that way. So how we can do this one? In that case we can use operators. Okay, bitwise or bitwise and logical operator we can use. We already discussed about the operators in the last tutorial. In the operator, this one, in this tutorial we already discussed about this one, operators, how we can use operators. Okay, so you can just go through this tutorial so that you can get better understanding how we can switch to, or how we can skip to uh, statements, or the two pointers, or the two iterations. Okay, if you want to exit for the entire loop, then we can use break statement. Break statement we already discussed in last tutorial. You can also go through this break statement where we discuss in the detail how we can use break statement. Okay, so you can go through this tutorial. So today we are in the continue statement. Okay, so let's start. Let me initialize first a variable. Okay, and then we'll check how we can skip the specific number. Okay, so suppose we have, so for the timing, suppose we have number is for int I equals to 0. Okay, I less than greater than equals to 10, or let's little bit, and I increment. We already discussed about this one. This one is how we declare or initialize the for loop. Okay, now here we can provide the condition if I equals to 3, then what happen? Then continue. Okay, then what happen? Then we have to be continue. Okay, it will be skip your code. Okay, skip number 3 in the iteration, terminate the loop in the iteration. Just let me copy paste. Okay, copy paste is a really important for a developer. Okay, so you can just copy paste. Okay, this thing. So let me execute and print the statement here. Print the statement outside this condition. Sys out means, I already told you, sysout means system.out.println. Okay, so let's execute and let's see what happened. So we are getting 0 1 2 4 5. Okay, but if we comment this one, let me comment it out. Okay, I have commented this one, so let's execute. So we are getting 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, but if we uncomment this one, then this will be skipped, then this will be skipped. Okay, let me execute again. Okay, oh, see that here I have done some mistake, syntax error, where continue this one, where if just give me a moment. Okay, now let me execute now. Okay, now 3 is missing in this iteration. Okay, and if I want to skip from 4 as well, then what I can do? Then I have to be use or and. Okay, I equals to 4. Okay, then we can use operator. Okay, this is or. You can also use here and symbol and. Okay, so this one is your and. Okay, this one and this one, but we can use here or, because we want to be skip some specific number, so in that way we can use continue statement. So I hope guys you get understanding about the continue statement, how we can use the continue statement. Okay, in upcoming tutorial we can also solve some problems related to because these are the base. Okay, these are just base. In upcoming tutorial we can solve the bigger problem, which is really helpful for you to crack the interview, because this series is totally cover the interview preparation, not about the kind of detailed discussion. We are just going in the highlighted pointer. Okay, how you can soon crack your interview. So this series is just basically for the interview preparation. Okay, so I hope guys you get understanding about the continuous statement. Please share, like and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET rule interview question. Goodbye, have a nice day.